Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone has the latest Pubg mobile app and a stable network. This reduces timeouts. On your PC, open the Pubg account login page that shows a QR code. On the phone, open Pubg, tap Settings, then Account or Link, and choose QR Login. You do this because the game pairs devices securely via temporary tokens. Once the QR scanner appears, you're ready to scan the code shown on your PC screen. Now, point your phone's QR scanner steadily at the PC's QR code and keep it within the frame until the app recognizes it. Once detected, a confirmation prompt appears. Make sure the account name matches your intended Pubg profile and then tap Authorize. You do this to grant the PC session a one-time token that logs you in. After authorization, watch for the success message on both devices. Make sure not to close the browser or the app while the exchange finishes. Finish by checking the PC shows your Pubg lobby and character. That confirms the QR handshake succeeded. If you don't see that, try scanning again. Often time drift or mismatched app versions cause token refusal. Make sure both devices have correct time and the latest app/browser versions because tokens are time limited. If problems persist, reboot the app, clear Pubg cache, and retry, or use the alternative account link methods in settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.